Hey folks, welcome to the Waldo World. This is Waldo. Today we are making a beaded rubber band bracelet, this time around 2 ponytail holders. Technically this is a 2-peg rubber band bracelet, but instead we're using just the 2 hooks. You can use an easy looper, but I can better illustrate this using 2 hooks that come in the package. Also, it lets me show you a different technique. You will need rubber bands, beads, 2 ponytail holders, a Waldo wire, a C-clip, 2 hooks, and something to hold the rubber, the ponytail holders as you work. You can use PVC, soda bottles, beer cans, toilet paper rolls, anything around. You can also do this freehand. However, I'm going to be using a piece of foam just rolled up, so you can also use paper or cardstock. These ponytail holders are very inexpensive, and I got about 100 for about $2 or $3. And I'm not actually making this bracelet for my size. I'm using this because these colors are thin and the size of for the size of the bands, and you can still stretch over my wrists, but you would cut off my circulation, and don't cut off your circulation. I also have a similar video using paracord to properly size the bracelet to your wrist, the beaded rubber band paracord loop bracelet. If I were making a ponytail holder instead for myself, I would use the larger bands, also very inexpensive. The Waldo wire is just a piece of wire, a thin piece of wire that's bent in half and lets you pull the rubber bands through the wire. This is 24 gauge. So let's get started. It's with the rubber bands and beads. We're just going to do 3 of them. We've already done the rest of them. So take your Waldo wire, stretch your rubber band, makes it easier to pull through, and run it through your Waldo wire. These are just taking 1 bead. There's 1. There's 2. You can adjust a little if you want, but a lot of this will come out. And here's 3. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to take a piece of foam and roll it up and put these rubber band holders, these ponytail holders around it. And you want to align your middle ends here together, and that's where we're going to start. Okay, we've got these aligned, so what we're going to do is we're going to take your hook, put it right next to the left side of the bead, under the ponytail holder, push it through the other side of the rubber band, pull it through, like so. There we got one side. Now we're going to take this and we're going to take the other side. Do the same thing, but backwards. So hook under, rubber band over, turn your hook over to catch that, and bring it through. And this is what it's going to look like. You got those captured and you got them started. So okay, let's do our second one. Again, left side, under the ponytail holder, grab the other side of the rubber band and pull it through. Now if you notice there, the loop on the other one is still on your hook. So pull that over, and there you go, that's linked. So now we're going to do the same on the other side. Through the rubber band, under the ponytail holder, the other side of the link, the rubber band, pull it through. That's linked. And if you like, you can just do this and pull it through. And there you go. See? We're linking little by little. Again. Under. Grab your other side. And it does help to move this rubber band out of the way so you can see what you're doing. The previous loop. You can. There you go. Put that right through. Rubber band. Under the rubber band holder. Through. Turn your hook. And loop it through. Again. Turn your hook. Pull it through. And there you go. See? We're linking those up. So I'm going to do the rest offline. And you will turn this as you go. You want to also adjust this closer down to the middle part. A little while you can. Okay, folks, let's have a mid bracelet check. That's what it looks like. Let's pull this just a little forward. Get our next one. Under the bow holder, pull the rubber band through, twist, pull it out. So there, got your loops lined up. I find it easier to just pull the one below above. And then do the other side. Same thing. Except backwards. Pull it through the rubber band. Under the ponytail holder. Get the other side in. Pull it through. Now at this point you probably want to adjust your rubber band just a little. And this happens often. And so we'll put it right through. find it easier to just pull this under. Just a little. And I'm gonna keep on going. Okay, folks, we're coming towards the end. Note that we're leaving some space here just to allow some stretching. We're not going all the way to the metal closure, so let's put in the last one. Side. Pull this a little through. There's that side. Now we're going to take our C hook. Link that on. Then the other side. Pull it. There it's linked, and we're going to take this off. Now we're going to do a little stretching here, just a little stretching exercise. And we're just going to do this. It's still going to stretch a little by itself. I'm going to go ahead and put this on. Do a little stretching there. And it actually almost fits me already, just like that. See, this is coming a little closer already. So ain't that pretty? Turn it around. There's something a little different too. A different kind of bracelet there, so. There we go. So, as always, thank you for watching. Like us if you like us. Why not ring the bell or subscribe? Till the next time, bye-bye.